Okay, today let's take a look at this SKYLET wristband for a Fitbit Charge 2. This one's their sport band, small, gray and green. Once we get into it, okay. So this one is definitely silicone. See, we got the little releases there. Got the sliding piece. Feels actually really nice silicone. Nice clasp. Them two colors are on there really nice. Let's take a look at what this is. Not happy. Happy. That's different. I got this to replace my current one. As you can see, black on black. It is pretty much done for. I'm just past the year, so Fitbit won't replace it. And this would be the second time they replace it anyways. They only make it about 6 months and they all do this on me. I looked at ordering other ones on Amazon, and I have. And this one here claimed to be silicone, but it is not. It is rubber. And it smells horrible yet, and it's been laying here for over a year. This one here is nice silicone. Doesn't got any weird smell to it. Let's see how it fits on. Clips on nice. Sits nice and even with the Fitbit all the way around. Lock is good. Same thing on that side. Sits real nice. Take a look at this here. That's all glued down nice on this one. Well, we'll give her a try for a couple days and see how she does. They have the normal Fitbit bands too, the more, the flat style like this. They got different colors. It is made in China, and they are based in Shenzhen, China. My one complaint with it though right away is, well, I wish there'd be a little tab in there. If we look at the normal Fitbit one, you got that little bump out down there that'll grab into these and hold it tighter. I wish this had a little peg that would drop in them holes to hold it tighter, but we'll see how it does. Okay, so now that I wore this a couple days here, really nice. I gotta say I like it. Seems to hold up really nice. No weird allergic reaction to it. So I would say I'm happy with it. So if you're sick of the plain ones that Fitbit offers, or you're not paying $29 for the Fitbit one, these are really nice. Only time will tell to see if it does that, how these Fitbit ones always happen to do, or that bust out. Like I said in the before, I've ordered other ones off Amazon. Like I said, this one's rubber. It's not silicone. This is definitely silicone. So, be sure to check these out. They got some other colors too. The one thing I will say is make sure you look at the size, measure it. It says the size in the Amazon ad, but because this is a large and it ended up being a small to fit, so just, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and click that thumbs up button. Have a nice night.